What can ChatGPT do for business? As a language model, ChatGPT can be used to provide several benefits for businesses, including 1. Customer support. ChatGPT can be integrated into a business's website or messaging platform to provide customer support services. 1. It can help answer common questions, provide assistance with product or service inquiries, and handle basic customer service issues. 2. Sales and marketing. ChatGPT can also be used as a sales and marketing tool to engage with potential customers, answer their questions, and provide information about products and services. 2. It can also be used to gather information about customer preferences and behavior to inform marketing strategies. 3. Data analysis. ChatGPT can analyze large amounts of data and provide insights into customer behavior, market trends, and business performance. 3. It can help businesses identify patterns and make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. 4. Personalization. ChatGPT can use customer data to provide personalized recommendations and suggestions, improving the customer experience and increasing customer satisfaction. 5. Automation. ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry, scheduling, and appointment booking, freeing up employees to focus on higher-value tasks. Overall, ChatGPT can help businesses improve customer service, increase sales and revenue, streamline operations, and make more informed decisions based on data-driven insights.